Hi, Brian Smidley here, and this is how to add special effects to video. It's a simple way of doing some neat stuff. As you noticed in the video, I had lightning in the sky, and I had a building uh, standing on a mountain, a cliff. And it was lightning, and also it was lightning against the building. No, this was not really filmed uh, in that place. It was all made up, and I want to show you how I did that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the camera. I have everything set up on my table at the moment. As you can see, I've used a can to hold the camera, and I have for my building, all it is a salt shaker for my building, and I put it against a green uh, t-shirt with a box, and I tightened it the best I could, and that will be the background so I can chroma key out the green. That's the first step. Now the second step is to well, go out of the camera for a moment. All right, and we're going to do the next step. We're going to go to YouTube, and I'll show you what I did there. And you've seen that the sky was lightning. Now I'll bring this up in my library. I'll show you. It's a cinematic monsoon thunder, and it's a free use. As you can
Here comes Greg with your organic carrots. He credits sun, good soil, and a little something he just won't tell.
And what I did, I trimmed the video from the first part of the introduction. So all I wanted was the lightning. So I recorded this. I'm going to go ahead and cast it the way I did it on TV, and I'll show you exactly what I did. And now back out of that. And we're going to go back to camera. And all I did, I have it on my TV, and I angled the box towards the TV and still have the salt shaker in line. So as the lightning flashed on the TV, it bounced off the edge of the salt shaker. Let me show you that again. Let me play the video again. Go back to my camera, and you see it's playing that part. and I just held this steady against the, whoops, you hold it steady against, you see the lightning coming from the television, and it's ever so often hitting the wall and hitting the background, and also hitting the white. It's best to use something white so you get a better reflection. I'm not actually recording this. I'll show you my actual record that I did, that I actually used in the video. So actually you're, whoops, actually you're playing the video on there. Now, let me go back to camera, and I will play you the see if I can find it. It should still be there. Okay, wait. Oh, I know where I can find it. I can go to my gallery, and this is the one I used. I will click on that. This is the actual one that I used. At first, I didn't get it straight, but I started recording so I wouldn't miss the video. And you can see that it's coming off the TV to the, and reflecting towards the, see the flash hitting. Every time that flash, it hit there. Now, the next thing I did, my phone is really slow. All right. Now, the next thing you do is you go to Google. Google. And you're going to say Valley Images. And then I'm going to search. And then you can just choose whichever one you want. You pick that one or what have you. And so I just chose one I thought would look nice. And not sure if I'm going to come up with it quickly. But anyway, you can choose any terrain that has a sky and an edge, like a mountain. Then you go out. I'll show you what I did. You're going to go to you're going to go to PicArts. And once PicArts opens, I'll show you the picture that I used. Here we go. It's coming. I'm going to hit select the add button. And what I used was this one. I created a sticker from it. You see the blocked area off up here? You take a stylus and then you go to tools. No, that's the wrong one. You go to, see if I can find it. Cutout. Yeah, you want to do cutout. And you're going to use your stylus and you're going to edge out what you want to keep. So what you want to keep, you outline. So I outlined the just the cliff, because I want this area up here to be the video element of the sky, of the lightning flashes. So we'll go out of that. And then the next app you will use is you will go to KineMaster. And this is the one I'm using. What I did, I first added the video element. I'm not actually done, but I don't want to mess with it just yet. I'm just showing you. I'm just pointing out some things. First, you add the video element, which is the lightning, and then the next thing I added the salt shaker. And what I did, I selected it, and then I chroma keyed it. So here's what it would look like off chroma key. Take it off, and you add it back. And you select green because green was the background. So, and then here I used my title, and then down here is the sticker. You save that as a sticker in PicArts. So it's just a cutout. And then I cropped it and made it larger, and so it would fit pretty well to the video. And I made this salt shaker and about what a round building would look like. And then since that had, and what I did, I changed the color filter of this. So you go to, whoops, no. I didn't want to reverse that. Okay. What we're going to, no. Hitting the wrong button. Go to color filter. And you can select, see I chose red. You have blue, green, but I want it a little darker because it can't. And what I did after I selected that, I go here, then I go over to adjustment, and I have it on 8, but you can make it brighter, darker, just by that. So I'm gonna put it back to 8 where I had it. So that's where I like it. I can get it back there. There we go. Well, close enough. Then once you have all those elements in there and cropped, and I just made this video element of the salt shaker larger. I cropped it larger. So when you play it, of course the video of the sky already had its own music, so I didn't really have to add it. So here's what it would be like. Because we don't want double sound. So I have just made the pass with the original video that I showed of the salt shaker with the screen flashing against the salt shaker, the lightning. But I did that in silence. So when I did this in post, like this, in KineMaster, it's going to play, then I up the volume to play that, so you understand. That way I didn't have any double music playing, because that wouldn't sound right. That would be hard to sync. So it's already synced because I didn't have any music to sync. The only thing I synced was the video of the flashes. So that's pretty well how you would do that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I'll help you out. So thank you.